How to trade on VT markets. Now in this quick video, I'll show you specific ways for you to be able to start trading with VT markets. Now if you don't have any idea about trading yet, you can head straight into VT Markets official website and then you can hover your mouse into trading for you to be able to know about the markets, platforms, trading accounts, and about copy trading. You can also try to know more about VT markets by going into tools for you to see about overview, market buzz, economic calendar, the trading glossary, and expert advisor. Now you can choose between using this via your mobile device. You can download it via Google Play Store or via Apple Store. Now go ahead and trade now by opening a live account. Choose the country of your residence, your valid email address, input your preferred password, and if you do have a referrer user, then you can input it here and then choose on open a live account. And once you successfully open the live account, you need to deposit any specific amount on VT Markets so you can start trading. And that is how you trade with VT Markets.